Very beautiful and glorious good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and all my dear friends who gave me a golden opportunity to speak in front of you. I am Gulista. I am from Sultanpur. I am going to start my speech. My speech is about patriotism. Before starting my speech, I want to share my thought in front of you. My thought is, patriotism is willingness to kill and by kill any trivial reason. Now I am going to start my speech. Patriotism is loyalty and honesty and faithfulness of a person towards their nation. In patriotism, many people gave their life to save their country. Many people think that patriotism is all about sacrificing the life for the country, but the real sense of patriotism is living for the betterment of the country. Patriotism is very important for making or building a nation strong. Patriotism is feeling for fight against enemies. Feeling of patriotism brings people closer, and feeling of patriotism inspires people to act together. Patriotism is unconditional love towards the nation. And now I want to say that every citizen should have feeling of patriotism. Nowadays, youth do not understand the importance of patriotism, which must be explained to them. Now I would like to finish my speech. Before finishing my speech, I want to share my poetry. First one, न पूछो तुम जमाने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, न पूछो तुम जमाने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, हमारी पहचान इतनी है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. And second one, सीने में जुनून आंखों में देशभक्ति की चमक रखनी है. सीने में जुनून आंखों में देशभक्ति की चमक रखनी है. दुश्मन की सांसें थम जाए, आवाज में वो धमक